thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rock Island County, northwestern Mercer County, northwestern Louisa County, southeastern Johnson County, southwestern Muscatine County, until 10 p.m. At 9:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Conesville, or 7 miles north of Columbus Junction, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muscatine, Lone Tree, Fruitland, Grandview, Conesville, Eliza, Letts, Mannion, Sand Springs, Cranston, Petersville, Arden, Muscatine Municipal Airport, Flaming Prairie Park, and Gladwin. Take cover now.